Hey there, are you creating a tech pack but you are feeling stuck with POM tool? No worries, we have got your back. Let's dive right in and learn how to use this amazing tool. We are going to use an old file as an example. Can you tell me where the POM tool is located? That's right, it's in our 2D window, but we can't see it clearly because of the double view. So let me make our 2D window bigger. Now we can see the POM tool in our object browser along with the description and length. Let me turn on this tool. It's similar to the polygon tool, but it has some cool features. For instance, to finish this shape or line, we have to double click instead of hitting enter. But the rest is pretty much same. Look at this. The line that we have created is split into 4 parts and each part has its own measurement. This happens because of the point in our line, but here's the best part. Our measurement is all summed up here in this browser. How convenient is that? Let me show you how to make some real measurements with this method. Some things are still the same, like how Shift key helps us to make straight lines. I'm also measuring the width of my sleeve at some point. And that's it. We have our horizontal and vertical measurements done. Now let's move on to the round of these patterns. You might be wondering how's that possible? They are two separate patterns, right? Well, guess what? It's totally possible. Just keep clicking like you are making normal lines and the gap between the pattern will be skipped by this tool automatically. Isn't it awesome? This tool is so smart. I love it. So, whenever you see a dotted line in your measurement, remember that this part is not counted. Here's another tip. If you don't need the full measurement, you can also measure your pattern like this, in L shape. You might think that each non-pattern area will be subtracted from your measurement, but that's not true. If you measure a single pattern like this with a continuous line, then the non-pattern area will be added to your measurement. It will only ignore your measurements when you measure more than one pattern at a time. As I mentioned before, your selected measurement will be highlighted in your browsers as well. This will help you to find the line and make your work easier. Here, you can also rename your measurements so that when you export this, all measurements will have different names. Until now, all the measuring lines were random, but you can also make the lines with a specific length too. All you have to do is to right click instead of left click. You can make your line as long as you want. At the bottom, you can also adjust the line if it's not going where you want it to go. By using Edit POM tool, the only option that you have is delete, which you can also do by pressing delete key on your keyboard. I hope this tool was easy and fun for you to learn. If this video was helpful for you, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, subscribe to this channel for more awesome tutorials like this one. Share these videos with your friends and help them to learn too. Keep learning and creating, my friends. See you soon.